Hey guys, it's me, Crystal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to look cool in Roblox and have your budget as 0 Robux. We're not going to do it on my account because, Anyway, so let's go and hop on a different, newer account. / make our own account. Just guess a birthday, might as well. Even if we do 2018, they're still going to be okay with it. But let's type Gracie girl is lit 1, 2, 3. Yep, this name is already in use. I already made a different account, but I want to start a different one. Gracie girl is lit. Okay, that's going to be our name. Okay, let's do it a girl. And guys, comment down below if you guys want to dress this girl up, because this isn't my account. I'm not gonna give away my password, but yeah. Okay, so what we want to do first is see that's us. So let's go to the catalog. What you want to do is go to clothing, and you want to find all clothing. You want to put all the clothing, and you want to scroll down, and then it says creator, price, and unavailable items. Price, you want to put free. You want to click the free thing, but let's not do all clothing. Let's just do shirts, because it's going to show us a whole bunch of things that we don't need. But do the blue and black motorcycle shirt. Get it now. And then you want to come back here. And you want to press pants. The pants icon. And you can get that one or that one. I would rather get both to see if it looks good or not. So, yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we have all the things that we need, but we good. So now we want to go to create or develop and press, if you are new or Roblox, press manage my games. But then if you guys are good at Roblox and you're pro, I'm not gonna say old, but then either press develop or create, and then you already are there, but it's practically your develop area. And what you want to do is come down here and then go to t-shirts. Okay? You want to search up a picture of anything that you want on your shirt. I'm going to put Adidas. And you want to go to images. Hopefully we can find the icon, not the shoes. We found that, but let's put a holographic. Not the shoes. There's only shoes. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's put symbol. Symbol. Okay, here it is. I really want to put this one, so I'm going to right click it and then put copy image. That is gonna wait, no. You wanna put save image as. You wanna put save image as. Yes, this is weird, but okay, it's okay. You wanna save it as shirt. And let's exit out of that. And then we're going to choose a file. Here it is. I'm going to open that. And then we're going to find it. It has to be somewhere here. Here it is. Okay. So let's open that. And then let's upload it. Now, since we have to wait for Roblox to, oh, okay, never mind. You want to edit avatar. You want to put your shirt on. And then you also want to grab the blue and black. No, we don't need to go to the icon. We just need to get it on. And there is your, come on. Let's do 2D. See, look, guys, so there is the shirt. Now you want to either put these pants or this. That way you can find better pants. But I would want to kind of go with this one because, you know, it's like black pants, so can't fight with that. But, yeah, you also want to add some accessories if you want to. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. You want to add this. Let's take off the accessories. Okay. And let's change this to this. Yep. And then either get this face or, hold on. Let's go to faces. Oh, no. Face. Face. No, we don't need Robux. Do that. Let's also skin tone. And then change your skin tone if you want to. Okay, and we're also going to want to scroll down, and then press the advanced. And you want to press the left leg and change it to scroll down. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, scroll down. So see, now it looks like that. But if you want like white shoes, then you can press the white skin tone down there. But I'm going to press black because might as well. And I'm also going to do that to the same over here. And let's see if we can add anything else. Let's do all of it. Let's go to avatar. Well, not avatar. Let's go to catalog. And let's find some free faces. So let's find face. Let's go to faces, and then we're going to want to, wow, look at all these Robux that people have been spending on faces. Weird. Here are the faces. I'm going to get this one, the silly fun one. So let's get it now. Okay, so let's go to avatar now. And there you have it. A nice, cute person. Yeah. So let's just join a game to see how we look. Or how good we look. No, let's join Pizza Factory. Might as well. Okay. Let's put this. Hold on, guys. Okay. There we are. Wow. Whoa, let's check out this girl. Oh, this girl. I don't even know anymore. I don't even know anymore, but it's okay. This is what we look like. We look awesome. Let's see. Let's ask somebody if they will be my friend. Like, one person with Robux. Like, absolute Robux. Whoa. I thought this was a tycoon. That's sad. That's just cold. You know what? As we're in here, let's just get a shirt. Oh, no. Somebody has... Something's up. I heard something. Literally, I can't find anybody. So, let's... Nobody's factory. I don't care about nobody's. I need somebody, not nobody. So, let's go over... Ooh, wow. What's a house? This is massive. Big for a small looking house. So let's go over here. There's another person with no Robux. No Robux person. Let's see if there's anybody with Robux in this server. Please load the characters. Nope. Not even one. Okay. Let's join a game that people with Robux would be in. Let's not play that game. Robux people play Bed Wars, I guess? I don't know. Let's check. Let's check it. Okay, let's ask somebody that looks normal with Robux. Ooh, this girl. Those girls! Sorry. My voice is just gone missing. Okay. Hi. Will you be my friend? Mom! They're not responding. No, they're not.
Well, get off the server.
Rude. Okay, go. Okay, so guys, they didn't respond. That means that's probably a no. So, that probably means a no. But I'm going to close it up right here, and hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, bye guys! Don't get offended by my mom saying rude stuff, because it's fun having people with no Robux around, because they're really funny. So, yeah.